Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial that I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across a message on your Windows computer that reads that your PC will automatically restart in 1 minute. Windows run into a problem, needs to restart. You should close this message now and save your work. So generally, this message usually comes up when you're performing an update. However, there can be system corruptions issues that could lead to that message as well, in which case I would recommend hitting that advice, save and close it of any open applications, and then restart your computer. And if you are noticing it's coming up again on your screen, then we can try this following method kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to delete a software distribution folder. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung File Explorer. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong File Explorer, and then kailangan mo lang i-navigate dito yung This PC. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side, dito lang sa Devices and Drives. So i-select lang natin tong C drive and double click. And then kailangan natin i-locate dito yung Windows folder. So dito sa Windows folder, select and double click ulit. And then kailangan natin i-locate dito yung Software Distribution. So, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And once na-locate mo na tong software distributions, so ang next step, so select and double-click ulit. And then, kailangan mong i-select dito yung download folder, so select and double-click. And ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan i-delete lahat dito. So, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+A. And then, dito sa taas ay click mo lang dito yung delete para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so once na-delete mo na dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to clean both your computer. Kung paano ba natin gawin, on your keyboard, press the Windows key plus letter R. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na msconfig. Ayan. So one word yan. And msconfig na keyword at click mo lang dito yung OK. And then makikita mo dito yung system configurations. So dito lang sa general tab at dito lang sa selective startup. So kailangan mo lang i-check tong load system services. So check mo lang yan. And then uncheck mo lang tong load startup items. Uncheck. Alright. And i-click mo lang dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito, so dito lang ulit sa taas, so select mo lang dito yung services tab, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay makikita mo dito sa baba yung hide all Microsoft services, so i-check mo lang tong box na yan. And then dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung disable all, so i-click mo lang yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito sa system configurations, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run system file. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to select again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix your PC will automatically restart in 1 minute message in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.